Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Ikea hack. I'm gonna spray paint this and cover it with marble contact paper. If you're wondering, this is the Hylas pack from Ikea. Hi Lucy. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this and spray paint it in this beautiful metallic color that I found at Home Depot, and it's like a copper color. Okay, and as for the shelves, we're only going to spray the sides because the top is going to be covered with the contact paper. Okay, so now that all of our shelves have been spray painted and they're dry, we're now going to cover them with contact paper. So I got this contact paper on Amazon and we're just gonna cover it. And it doesn't matter if you didn't paint it because you didn't really need to. We're gonna cover it with paper anyways. And to cut the contact paper, you either need like a box cutter or scissors. This is the first time that I've worked with contact paper, and it's honestly the easiest thing to do. First off, you need to cut your contact paper to the size of the item or your shelf, and thankfully they have lines on the back of the paper so you can cut straight. And once you have it cut, the only thing you need to do is unpeel it like a sticker and then just stick it on and make sure to press against any air bubbles. Okay, so I've attached all the contact paper to these shelves, but I ran into a problem. For the last one, I ran out of contact paper, so I just spray painted in the copper color and added like a marble accent down the middle. Okay, so now we're just gonna assemble it. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful and affordable shelf to put your stuff on.